Let's be honest, YouTube isn't easy. Most YouTube channels fail, not because the creators aren't good enough, but because they're making 5 mistakes that silently, slowly kill their channel. And guess what? I've made all those 5 mistakes. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you the 5 mistakes I've made on my channel and how you can fix it so you can learn from my mistakes. Now YouTube loves consistency, but I wasn't consistent on Aussie Awesome. I mean, I have been making videos non-stop for the last 16 years, so I guess you can say I am pretty consistent. But I'm talking about a different kind of consistency. Sometimes I'd upload a bunch of videos and then I'd disappear for weeks. An example of this is every December when I would make 25 videos in a row for my Advent Christmas videos. Then I would disappear for a while because I'd be so burnt out. Or I would make one video, skip a month, make another video, skip another month, and sometimes I'd upload 3 videos in a week. It was just random and there was no real consistency. So some people will tell you have to upload every week at the same day at the same time, but I think that's a little bit too extreme. Skipping a week here and there is not going to be a big deal, especially if you have other stuff going on, but you want to try to stay consistent. The problem is sometimes skipping a week or 2 sometimes turns into 5 or 6, sometimes it turns into months. So when that happened to me, my momentum died, the algorithm stopped recommending my videos, and even my loyal viewers forgot that I existed. But you want to try to stick to your schedule as much as you can, because not only does YouTube notice, but also it builds trust with your viewers. And for how many videos you should upload per day or per week or per month, that's kind of up to you, kind of on your genre, the niche you pick, and kind of the amount of time you have left. For me, I would say at least once a week if you can. Aussie Awesome has been a mix of everything. Vlogs, tutorials, travel, side hustle advice, stories about my family, my dog, Japan tourism, Canada tourism, and so on and so on. And while that's fun for me, that definitely confused my audience. People come to watch one thing and then the next thing I post is completely different, so then they leave. So here's the fix for this. You need to narrow down your content. What that means is you don't have to only talk about one thing, but you have to kind of focus on a specific target audience and then try to make videos that they would like. So for me, my target audience is people who want to kind of learn to make income online, kind of up their skills, their technical skills, specifically with like AI and software and that type of stuff, and also kind of improve their digital lives. I'm making videos now, so not only the algorithm, but the people watching my videos will know what kind of content they should be expecting. I've talked about this in one of my other videos I made recently, so if you want to check that out, it gives you more advice on how to fix these 3 problems that a lot of YouTube channels have. And trust me, I speak from experience, because if you check out some of these older thumbnails I have, you can see they were pretty bad. Yikes. I mean, Kamogawa SeaWorld or I'm leaving on a jet plane, would you click on those? Neither would I. They were just too random or generic to get any clicks. So here's what I did to fix that. I started studying thumbnails from people that actually watch videos of. I kind of look at all the different kinds of genres and I see which videos do well, and I kind of see why they did well based on their thumbnail and their title. And I tweak it and I try to apply it to the video I'm making. And if you take a look at my newer thumbnails, you can kind of see the difference. And I know it's going to be slow, but I'm hoping these changes will kind of spark the increase of the click-through rate and for more viewers, newer viewers to come and kind of discover my channel. I never used to take a look at my analytics, but now that I look back at them, I can see that a lot of my videos drop within the first 20 seconds in retention. And why? Well, here's an example of a video I used to make.
Hi, this is Oz. This video is in response to Ciela, your video about how to get a Japanese boyfriend. As you can see, I'm not an expert on that since I'm not Japanese, nor do I have a Japanese boyfriend. But I did live there for a while.
As you can see, I'm rambling on, I'm not really making sense. The editing is poor and I just cut myself off mid-sentence. Nothing really makes sense about that first 20 seconds. And if people stop dropping off within the first 30 seconds, YouTube kind of thinks that nobody likes that video, so they don't push it anymore. So one thing I've done to fix that is definitely try to make the first 20 to 30 seconds of each video a lot more exciting, a lot more fluid, a lot more active. And here's a video intro I did for one of my newer videos. Imagine spending years chasing a dream, only to realize the dream was actually a nightmare. That was me. I built a YouTube channel with over 23,000 subscribers. That's supposed to be the golden ticket, right? Recognition, views, money, and hopefully freedom. But here's the truth. My channel, the one that I thought would change my life, was actually keeping me stuck. And after months of denial, I did the unthinkable. I walked away from those 23,000 plus subscribers and I came here to 0. And today I'm gonna tell you why. To me, this second introduction looks a lot more interesting and engaging. So the key to keeping retention high is to keep the introduction exciting and engaging. And short. I cut the fluff, I cut the ums and ahs, I edit faster, I add a little bit more visuals and text. I tend to ramble a lot, so it's still a work in progress, but I've noticed that my retention is getting a little bit higher. And honestly, I think this is the #1 killer. I've thought about quitting and not making any more videos on Aussie Awesome a lot. After spending hours and hours on filming and editing and doing my best to kind of grow my channel and still not having much success, it was very disheartening. And at my lowest last year, I had given up almost. I hadn't made a video for months and I was just spending every day after work watching TikTok or Netflix. And most creators give up before they hit their breakthrough video. But I honestly believe as long as I don't give up, things will fix themselves. And the way I've been trying to fix this issue is I've tried to stop obsessing over views and follows. I'm not looking at the immediate numbers of how many subscribers I got today or how many I lost today or how many views my latest video got. Now I'm treating all my videos like a step, like to make a staircase where I can climb to success. Each video is a step forward. And I think that's how you win long term. So if you're struggling with your own channel, trust me, I've been there. If you focus on a specific topic or a direction to make videos about, if you improve the quality of your thumbnails and your titles, and if you don't give up, all these things will help people find you and stay with you. Like I said before, the most important thing is to keep going. Each post, each comment, each video is a step closer to your goal. If this video helped you, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can also get more videos like these. Also, if you do make YouTube videos, let me know what is one of your biggest struggles in the comment section below. For those of you who missed my last video, it's definitely an interesting watch. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time. Peace.